Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your messages on Instagram and basically just how to hide your DMs on Instagram. It's really easy to do. It just takes about a minute here. Now, you got to make sure that you have a professional account on Instagram already. So to change to a professional account, you just want to go over to your account page here and then click on the three lines and then click on settings. And then you'll see switch to professional account. Once you've done that, you just got to go over to your messages. So I'll just go over to my professional account right here. As you guys see, it says product and service under it, which means it's a professional account. Now you just want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and then click on settings again and just confirm that's professional account. So as you see here, there's no switch to professional, so I'm good to go. So I just want to click over to your home page and then over to your DMs. And then you'll see all your DMs right here, and you see that you have two different folders. You have a primary and a general folder. So now what you're going to do is you're going to want to swipe from the right over to the left on the message that you want to hide, and then just click on general. That will then remove that chat from this folder, the primary folder, and it'll put it over to your general. And then you'll be able to hide it from your primary folder. This is the only way to do it as of right now. Maybe as Instagram will update in the future, they will change it to similar to how Messenger is and actually hide it. But anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.